In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Outlook Calendar to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have your Outlook Calendar linked so you can ask ChatGPT about your schedule, create events with natural language, and keep everything in sync without switching tabs. Start by opening ChatGPT and looking to the bottom left corner of the screen. Click your profile icon there. This might show your avatar or initials. A small menu will appear. Choose Settings to open the main preferences window. Inside Settings, find and select Apps. This is where all available integrations live. From here, click Explore Apps or Add More, depending on what you see in your version. Both options take you to the same place, a catalog where you can browse and connect new tools. At the top of that catalog, you'll see a search field. Click into it and type Outlook Calendar. Give it a moment to load the results. When you see Outlook Calendar in the list, select it to open the Apps page. You'll find a brief description of what it does, which typically includes reading your events and, if you allow it, adding or updating them on your behalf. Click Connect. This begins the linking process. Follow any on-screen instructions that appear. You may be prompted to sign in to your Microsoft account and grant permissions so ChatGPT can securely access your calendar. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure you choose the one that holds the calendar you want to use. Review the requested permissions carefully, then confirm to complete the connection. Once connected, you should see a confirmation, such as a connected badge or a status indicator on the Outlook Calendar page. From this point on, you can ask ChatGPT things like what's on your calendar, request a quick summary of the week, or create a new meeting by describing the details in plain language. If you ever want to pause or disconnect, you can return to Settings, open Apps, and manage the connection there. If Outlook Calendar doesn't appear in search right away, try refreshing the page and checking your internet connection. If you're using a work or school account, your organization may restrict certain integrations, so you might need admin approval. And if you see permission errors, sign out and back into the correct Microsoft account, then try Connect again. That's it. You've linked Outlook Calendar to ChatGPT. Enjoy a smoother workflow, and let your conversations handle the scheduling for you.